What's up, you guys? This is your favorite stylist, True. Basically coming to you to show you something quick and easy that you can do to your hair in between, your retwists. So at this point, my hair has already been freshly shampooed. I've already dried out 90% of the water, and I'm just basically going through and prepping my hair for my oil. This is the oil that I like to use. It's the Jamaican Mango and Lime Island oil. And I like to take that oil and basically go throughout my scalp with it, hit every little nooks and cranny, just to basically prep that scalp and just get it nice and ready. I like to put maybe like a quarter size in my hand and then rub that together and spread that from my roots to my ends. And basically, get everything nice and oiled up. For this style, I like to go ahead and put all of my hair in a tie at the top of my head. This just makes it, really easy for me to maneuver and really go through it and make sure I don't miss any. So I like to go through and 2-strand twist my entire head. For a crinkle look, I like to wear my crinkles in between me retwisting my hair. Sometimes I just shampoo my hair, I oil it up, and I 2-strand twist it. I wear it twisted up like this for about 2 days, and then I take it out and it's be crinkle. I wear that look. So that's what I'm getting ready to show you how. So basically, you want to take down 1 2-strand twist at a time out of the ponytail. You want to twist it as if you were doing a regular retwist, and then when you pull out the second one, you will go ahead and you will take those two and intertwine them together. You would twist them together like you were doing a plait for your little sister or your daughter or whatever the case may be. The rest of the steps are, self-explanatory. You're just going to follow through. So at this point, I basically am at the top of my head. I'm continue to twist this hair. It does get a little tiresome, so get you some music you can ride out to and, have a little fun with it. And before you know it, you'll be done. Like I said, just 2-strand twist that thing. I have a fade, so my hair is pretty much bald. Well, I gotta get a haircut, but other than that, it's bald on the side and the back, and I have the top. So it really doesn't take me that long to do my hair. Y'all, I ain't gonna even lie. At this point, I am super excited about my hair growth. I started my locks over from itty bitty committee, okay? And now I got a little length. I could do stuff with them. I'm feeling myself. I am happy, okay? I should have never cut my first set, and now I'm having to start over. But at this point, I'm happy and I'm enjoying the journey, okay? So y'all just look forward to more styles and, more slay, because it's coming, baby. It's coming. So this step is optional. You can take a little bit of Locs Twist gel and go over the front just for a more cleaner, crisp look. You want to go ahead and take some more You want to go ahead and take some more oil, put that to your scalp, get that blow dryers and tap that so you can seal all that moisture in. And at this point you're done, you know, take that brush and clean up those sides and you're ready to go, you know. So that's basically it. I have my True On Hair scarf that I'm getting ready to put on and basically lay those edges down. And I'm wearing like this for a couple days. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. So basically we went in, we shampooed, we conditioned, we applied our oil all throughout our scalp, all throughout our hair, and then we went in with a 2-strand twist. We did that all throughout. Same retwist motion that we would normally do with a retwist. And we rubber banded at the end, and we went through and we did the whole head. We got to the front. If you decide to or not, you can achieve the same look. We applied a little bit of Lock and Twist gel just around the front, just to give us that, you know, a little tight, crisp look just around the front. Same thing, did a little twist, 2-strand twisted, rubber band. That's it. We blow dried it a little bit. It's not wet at this point because, like I said, I always take out 90% of the water before I even start my retwist, just so it doesn't mess with the performance of the products that I use. And then, of course, nobody like to sit under the dryer or nothing like that. So at the end, I did zap it with the blow dryer just to get the rest out. But other than that, my hair is dry. I'm probably gonna wear it like this maybe 2 or 3 days, and then I'll take it out and it'll be all crinkly and I have a crinkled look. I will post pictures, or I might come back and do a separate video of me taking this down. So yeah, you guys try this look out and let me know how, you know, it works for you. But like I said, this is just something that I do, that I like to do in between my retwists. This allows me to, you know, cut back on retwist my hair so that it doesn't thin out over time at a rapid pace. Also, it helps with me not getting any buildup from the products that I may use. It also allows me to oil my scalp on a daily basis. You know, when you first get a retwist, you really don't want to put too much oil in it because it can not go with the product that you use. It can loosen up your hair. So this just allows me to basically give my hair the proper nutrients that it needs for it to grow. Yeah, so this is my second set of locks. I used to have long locks, you know, and I cut them, and this is just me starting over, starting fresh. So I know what I'm talking about, you know, just for those who like to jump in the comments. But basically, try this look out. Let me know what y'all think. True On Hair, that's me, and I'll be looking forward to y'all letting me know what y'all think. Thank y'all. Oh, and another thing, y'all follow me on social media. My Instagram page, I will link everything below. On Instagram, I am @_True On Hair. That's @_TRUEONHAIR. True On Hair. Y'all follow me on that. And yeah, you want to book an appointment, all of my information is listed in my bio. Telephone numbers, salon, all of that information will be listed. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe.